Could this be the anti-AI? I've been writing a set of poems and making a set of sketches, and I'm just trying to do sort of one a week, just trying to fit them in, just whenever that thought comes to me, whenever I see something worth sitting down and drawing. And the thing is, working on here, it stops me being tempted to use AI for my writing. But the product that I make is digital. It's not going to end up sat in some drawer or in a notebook that I don't look back on. There's positives and negatives to digital and paper, of course, and there's positives and negatives to writing for yourself or letting AI look after your words. But lately I found that a lot of the text that I make, I'm relying on AI a little bit too heavily to finish the thing off. Sure, it's still all my thoughts. I use lots of AI voice recording. The ideas come from me. I'm not, for one moment, ducking out of thinking. AI is a great tool to help with thinking, and it's a great tool to turn those thoughts into something polished that you can publish. I think there's a lovely little animal down here which is just scurrying around and keeps distracting me. And because of that, I've been wondering about the written word, and I've been wondering because I've always been someone who writes poetry, who writes prose, who writes fiction, and really enjoyed doing that throughout my life. And I enjoy everything about it. I enjoy the ideation, I enjoy the process of writing it, and I enjoy the editing. But it's of course very time consuming to do all of that to turn idea into a polished product. AI can take you through those steps faster. It can eliminate individual parts of those steps should you wish. Or you can take one idea and you can quickly package it into many different formats. That's great. That's incredibly useful. But I've been wondering, and you might say I've been worrying about the written word since the advent of this, really quite good AI. I often wonder if I'll ever sit down to write something in full again. I wonder if it's worth doing it. I wonder if sitting at a keyboard or writing something out by hand, structuring something on paper, and then typing something, and then going through and line by line editing, I wonder if that's just a workflow that's vanished. I wonder if it's worth doing that. I wonder if it's worth even learning to work in that way anymore. It's lovely being here. And I worry that things that have been written or have been created by real people will be indistinguishable from AI slop in just a few years. I think a lot of us share that same worry. But the true worth of going through that process isn't actually in making the product. The true worth is about learning skills and learning to think. And then you read a masterpiece like War of the Worlds. I've just been working my way through that again. And you realize, of course, it's worth doing it. The true worth in working in that way, in structuring things out for yourself, in typing, in building the words, in editing, is not in making that thing quickly or even making that thing to a higher quality, because that's the true aim of AI, in my opinion. The true worth is in learning to think better. I was struck by the change in pace, the change in tone, the careful structuring, the foreshadowing, the revealing of details, the descriptions, what is held back and what is shared, and what is allowed for you to run wild in your own imagination. I mean, the man was just a master. You're never going to get to that level of thinking, that level of skill, if you just ask the AI to do it for you. So that's what I'm working on, a poem and a picture every week. And yeah, maybe I'll share them with you at some point. And you will know, won't you, that these things can't be AI because, yeah, they're written in my handwriting, but they're still digital, and so I can still package them and share them with the world should I choose to. And what a great place to do it on the Supernote Manta. The antidote to AI.